Welcome to our roundup of the best water flosser options. Whether you're looking to improve your oral hygiene, protect your gums, or upgrade your daily dental routine, we've selected top-rated water flossers that combine efficiency, comfort, and advanced cleaning technology. We'll break down each model's key features, like pressure settings, water capacity, portability, battery life, and overall performance, to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal water flosser for you. The first on the list is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced. This water flosser is designed for users who want powerful cleaning and a compact and portable design. Featuring high-pressure cleaning, rechargeable battery system, and portable cordless design, it delivers a professional-level flossing experience without being tied to a countertop. Its advanced pressure control system allows you to choose between multiple intensity levels, making it suitable for both sensitive gums and deep cleaning needs. The cordless design makes it incredibly convenient for travel or small bathrooms. With a waterproof build, you can even use it in the shower, which adds an extra level of flexibility to your routine. The rechargeable battery offers consistent performance and eliminates the hassle of replacing batteries frequently. Plus, the unit charges relatively quickly, so you're never left waiting too long between uses. In terms of cleaning performance, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced uses a powerful pulsation system that removes plaque and debris effectively from hard-to-reach areas. It's especially useful for people with braces, implants, or dental work where traditional flossing can be challenging. The included tips add versatility, allowing for targeted cleaning depending on your specific needs. Another highlight is its ergonomic design, which ensures a comfortable grip during use. The water reservoir is easy to fill and clean, making daily use simple and hassle-free. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable, portable, and effective water flosser that fits easily into a busy lifestyle while still delivering strong cleaning performance. Next up is the Coslus Water Dental Flosser. This model stands out for its combination of affordability and performance, featuring multiple cleaning modes, long battery life, and high-pressure pulse technology. It's a great option for users who want effective oral care without spending too much. This flosser offers several cleaning modes, including gentle, standard, and pulse, allowing you to customize your experience based on your comfort level. Whether you have sensitive gums or need a more intense clean, this device adapts easily to your needs. The powerful pulse technology helps remove food particles and plaque effectively from hard-to-reach areas, promoting healthier gums over time. One of the biggest advantages of the Coslus Water Dental Flosser is its impressive battery life. A single charge can last for weeks, making it ideal for travel or everyday use without frequent recharging. The USB charging feature adds convenience, allowing you to charge it anywhere. The design is sleek and user-friendly, with a lightweight body that's easy to handle. The water tank is large enough to support a full cleaning session without needing constant refills. Additionally, the detachable nozzle design ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, which helps keep the device hygienic. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent water pressure and reliable cleaning results. Overall, it offers excellent value for money with dependable performance, making it a smart choice for daily oral care without breaking the bank. Next, we have the Bitphase C6. This water flosser is built for users who want versatility and advanced features, offering ultra-long battery life, multiple nozzle tips, and adjustable pressure modes. It's designed to cater to a wide range of dental needs with ease. The standout feature here is its exceptional battery life, which can last several weeks on a single charge, making it perfect for frequent travelers or users who don't want the hassle of constant charging. The USB charging feature further enhances its convenience. With multiple nozzle tips included, the Bitphase C6 provides a customized cleaning experience. Whether you need orthodontic care, gum cleaning, or general use, there's a tip designed specifically for the job. Overall, this model strikes a great balance between performance, versatility, and convenience, making it a solid choice for users who want more features without stepping into premium price territory. Coming up next, we have the Waterpik Aquarius. This countertop water flosser is known for its powerful performance and advanced functionality, featuring professional-grade cleaning, large water reservoir, and 10 pressure settings. It's ideal for users who want a complete and customizable flossing experience at home. Unlike cordless models, the Aquarius offers a more powerful and consistent water flow thanks to its plug-in design. The 10 pressure settings allow for precise control, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. You can easily adjust the intensity to match your comfort level and cleaning needs. The large water reservoir is a major advantage, providing enough capacity for extended flossing sessions without interruption. This is particularly useful for thorough cleaning routines or for multiple users in a household. The reservoir is easy to remove and refill, adding to its convenience. Another key feature is its advanced timer system, which helps ensure you floss for the recommended duration. This makes it easier to maintain proper oral hygiene habits. The included tips offer specialized cleaning options, including gum care and orthodontic tips. The Aquarius is designed for stability and ease of use, with a sturdy base and well-organized controls. While it's not as portable as cordless options, it excels in delivering consistent and powerful performance for home use. The last one on our list is the Coslus F502E. This water flosser is designed to deliver strong performance with modern features, offering high-frequency pulse technology, large water tank capacity, and ergonomic portable design. It's a great all-around option for daily oral care. The high-frequency pulse technology ensures effective removal of plaque and debris even in hard-to-reach areas. It delivers a consistent and powerful stream of water that helps improve gum health and maintain a cleaner mouth overall. Its large water tank allows for uninterrupted cleaning sessions, which is a big plus for users who prefer thorough cleaning routines. The tank is easy to refill and clean, making maintenance simple and convenient. Design-wise, it features a modern and ergonomic build that fits comfortably in your hand. The controls are intuitive, making it easy to switch between modes. Its waterproof construction adds durability and allows for safe use in wet environments. Overall, the Coslus F502E offers a strong combination of power, convenience, and value, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene routine with a dependable water flosser. So that's it for the best water flossers you can get right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.